Probability and statistics. Since early days, people have tried to forecast the future. We would like to be prepared, and therefore we develop instruments, this is techniques, to predict our future. We would like to know if something will happen, or possibly not happen. Example: Peter is captain of his cricket team. Today, his team plays against the champions. He hopes to win the coin toss so that they can bat first. He believes he has a 50% chance to win the toss. Peter is right, the toss can be either heads or tails. Therefore he has a 50% probability to be correct. We know this because if a person tosses a coin 100 times, the chances are that after 100 tosses, the results may be close to 50% heads and 50% tails. Probability is the chance that something will happen, or how likely it is that an event will occur. When we toss a coin in the air, we use the word probability to refer to how likely it is that the coin will land with the head side up. Equal probability, the chance of each event happening is the same. Probability is part of statistics. Statistics is when you collect data, organize the data, understand what the data means, and then present the data in a report. People then use this results for their own purposes. Example: Bonnie is in grade 5. There are 43 learners in her class, 25 girls and 18 boys. 14 girls play netball, 4 play hockey, while 7 do not participate in sports. Can you think in ways how we can present this information? The graphs help us to analyze the information easier and understand the grade 5 girls' sports participation better. With this information, we can plan for coaching and clothing. What is median and mean? Mean is what we usually refer to as the average. Example: Thando was the highest scorer in our cricket team. In 5 innings he scored 25, 12, 83, 101 and 78. What is the average or mean? To calculate this, we add all together 25 plus 12 plus 83 plus 101 plus 78 is equal to 299. We divide this then by the number of innings, 299/5 equals 59.8. The mean or average is then 59.8 or rounded to 60. We can therefore forecast that there is a probability that Thando will score 60 runs in his next innings. Median. Median is another way to find the middle. Median refers to the number that is usually the middle of the range of numbers. Example: Alan is the bowler in the cricket team. His opponent scored the following runs from his last 10 overs: 2, 7, 3, 0, 11, 8, 3, 2, 5, 12. Let's arrange them from low to high: 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, 8, 11, 12. We find the middle number, which is 3 and 5. So we add and divide by 2. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. The median is therefore 4. We can now also forecast that Alan's opponents will in all probability score 4 runs from each of his bowling overs. We use things like probability, statistics, mean and median to organize and analyze information. This will help us to expect things that may happen in our future.